I hope you enjoyed the last video about Amazon story, how Jeff Bezos started Amazon. The success story of Amazon is available on my channel. Now it's time for a story about a car known for its luxurious lifestyle, manufacturing style. When a man orders this car and company automatically make it. This is not available at the spot. It will be manufactured after the order of a person who wanna buy this car, who wanna ride this car. If you are a genius person, then obviously you guessed it. This is known as Rolls-Royce.
Rolls-Royce, a name that resonates with luxury, has a history dating back over a century. In this video, we'll explore the legacy of Rolls-Royce, its remarkable features, and why owning one is a symbol of ultimate success and refinement. Let's begin by uncovering the captivating history of Rolls-Royce. Established in 1904, this British automaker has consistently set the gold standard for automotive excellence. Anchoring its legacy is the Silver Ghost, a car that earned the title Best Car in the World. Known for its unrivaled quality and refinement, it set the precedent for future Rolls-Royce models. One of the most distinctive features of a Rolls-Royce is its iconic hood ornament, the Spirit of Ecstasy. The Spirit of Ecstasy, often called Emily, embodies elegance, freedom, and beauty. This exquisite emblem is a symbol of the brand's commitment to luxury and class. When it comes to a Rolls-Royce, it's not just about owning a car, it's an experience of bespoke craftsmanship. Rolls-Royce offers an unparalleled level of customization. From choosing your wood veneer and hand-stitched leather to configuring starlit headliners, you can create a car that is truly one of a kind. Don't be fooled by the luxury. Rolls-Royce cars are known for their powerful engines. Beneath the hood, these vehicles hide a robust heart. You can expect impressive performance figures, ensuring that even a luxurious Rolls-Royce can provide an exhilarating ride. Let's take a closer look at one of Rolls-Royce's flagship models, the Phantom. The Phantom exemplifies the pinnacle of luxury. With features like the magic carpet ride suspension, starlight headliner, and an extraordinary V12 engine, it's an embodiment of opulence. Owning a Rolls-Royce comes with access to exclusive events, world-class service, and the privilege of being part of a select community. Rolls-Royce has made its mark in popular culture, with appearances in movies, music, and more. From James Bond films to the lyrics of famous songs, Rolls-Royce has cemented its place in the world of entertainment and prestige. As we wrap up our journey through the world of Rolls-Royce, it's evident that these vehicles are more than just cars. They are symbols of success, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. Owning a Rolls-Royce is not merely a transaction, it's an investment in a legacy, an ode to luxury, and a tribute to the spirit of ecstasy that continues to inspire generations.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Now it's time to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.